The Mantjolo road, which is currently under construction, will be closed from the 12th of April until sometime in July. This was said by Lucky Tsabedze, the public relations officer of the Municipal Council of Mbabane, during an interview with Swazi TV.
The Municipal Council of Mbabane has announced that the ratepayers who have still not developed or failed to maintain their properties will notice an increase in their amount they pay. The council says this is done as an attempt to encourage property owners to develop their properties.
We want to encourage our ratepayers to approach council if by the 30th of April they haven't received letters from the city council. The causes of failure to receive the new bills could be maybe they changed their residential addresses or postal addresses. That could be one of the causes of failure to receive the new bills. But basically, the city council or the municipal council of Mbabane is on a drive to encourage people to develop their plots in the city for obvious reasons. Undeveloped properties or plots could actually cause runaway fires, which could destroy your neighbor's property, or could actually be a hideout for criminals.
Meanwhile, the council has also issued a notice of the closure of the Mantjolo road effective on the 12th of April. The council's pro further expressed the council's excitement that the construction of this site has begun.
We are very excited about the project, which will cost council about 16 million. And it's a project, or it's a road that is actually has been attracting a lot of complaints from Mbabane residents, and rightly so, because it was in a very poor state. So the road will be closed from the 12th of April till July, which we hope the road will be complete by then. For now, we encourage motorists to make use of Mbabane Street, and they'll then detour to Pine Valley. Same if we are approaching the town from Pine Valley, you can then make use of Mbabane Street.
The construction of the Mantjolo road is costed about 16 million and is expected to be complete at the end of July. Reporting for Swazi Television, I'm Mbabane Municipal in Mbabane.